It's always so encouraging, like, happy birthday, Leo. Congratulations, Eric. I feel like we're missing an opportunity. Talking about negative cakes. Surprise, you're adopted. Because that's when you want cake. I love women, but you can't always trust them. Some of them are liars. Like this girl I met in the park. She was walking her dog, and she was cute, so I started to talk to her. She told me her dog's name. I said, does he bite? She said, no. I said, oh yeah? Then how does he eat? Liar. I'm in a weird situation because I like rainbows, but I'm not gay. So I'll wear a rainbow on my shirt, but then under it I gotta put not gay.